5 over 10 times 10. Okay, here by 10 1 by 10 1. That means 10 divided by 5. Okay, 10 divided by 5. Then 10 divided by 5, which equals to 2. Okay, but this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and addition, finally addition or subtraction. Remember that this multiplication division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, then here there is one division here and one multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. Therefore we need to do this division first. Okay, therefore here in order to do this division, we need to follow the KCF rule.